Okay, video camera on a tripod. If you've been following this, then you've seen that I had a Hornby loco, which was very jerky in its running, a DCC loco, and I've been trying to find out what was wrong with it. All I've done since one of the previous videos is actually unsolder the two wires that attach to the pickups. Well, not just that, I've actually unscrewed the screw which takes the motor out. Fine. What help is that to you? Well, if it is any help just to see it in this condition, please let me know. But now I've got the tripod, so I can put the video camera on the tripod. Then as I put it all back together, it should be possible to let you see exactly where things go. That's if I do it soon enough and can remember. Now, you know, again, I thought, well, what do we need to service a loco? And it was maybe about 4 tools. That simply stored box now, it's not full, but it has a few bits and pieces in it. It's amazing how many tools you accumulate just for the job of servicing a loco. I've been very fortunate in being able to pick up from a model railway shop this GAUGEMASTER Rolling Road. I'm going to take the Hornby Rolling Road off because that was never part of it. It's got needle rollers here, and the idea of that is it will take any gauge train, because it's not running on those specific rollers as we have on the Hornby Rolling Road, which these ball bearings which need to be set to the right gauge and flange width for the machine. So that will take from any, when I say any gauge, I think it will cope with N up to O, N, double O, HO and O gauge. A bit beside the point, but it does give a test bed. So here is the loco, and my thoughts at the moment, I've disconnected the chip. What I could do is try a different chip, but I don't think that was the problem. But there is the motor, and so at the moment my thoughts are, I haven't got a blanking plug because it's not that sort of, it's not a socket. So it would be to make up a blanking, in this case it'd be a socket, to connect the power directly from the track pickups to the brushes on the motor, with the suppression capacitor and suppression ferrite. There's a little black cylindrical device, not the tape, which is a ferrite just under that finger that's moving there. I'm not sure if that's a specific thing put on there for the filtering of the higher frequencies used by the DCC chip or not, whether it's just normal. Anyway, trying to eliminate the fault. As I say, the chassis itself is a very simple chassis, not much to it. That's the rolling chassis. Obviously I'm just rolling it about on a glass table, but I'm not getting any obvious clicking or feeling any friction. I wouldn't say it particularly rolls that freely, but it's not jamming. I did have a thought that it might be jamming. So, enough for now while I do some investigation. When I come back again, it should be having found the fault and showing reassembly, which hopefully will be a help for anybody wanting to disassemble these.